is on diversion. Do your best to stop all walk-ins, say we're at capacity, and send them to county. Stall all discharges. Tyler stays in isolation and on antivirals. Fever's likely the next stage, so keep a close eye. What else are we dealing with?
I always have lunch by 2 o'clock. It's 2:15. I need to eat.
I've got a banana in my bag if you want it.
A banana isn't lunch. A turkey sandwich and milk is lunch.
Dr. Murphy, patients first, then we'll work on that sandwich. What else?
60-year-old woman with angina visiting her family for the holidays forgot her blood pressure meds, came in for a prescription.
Her refill just got delayed. What else?
Can you hear that?
You're what?
Excuse me. I'm looking for a patient.
You need to speak with a nurse.
I've been waiting to speak to a nurse.
You must hear that. The light is buzzing.
I don't hear anything.
It's loud and very distracting. It needs to be fixed.
Murphy? You got something?
Not really.
Anything at all, please.
We usually make a hole and come at an obstruction from the side, but we can't. We need to use the existing holes.
An endoscope is tearing right through the bowel.
A saline enema doesn't. And it might untwist the bowel.
Simple, but it could work. Nice.